Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Mischief. Richie here, where I talk about my favorite thing in the entire world, cryptocurrency. That's right. So, PXP Wizards, OG, free mint is open on Bitcoin. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your funds onto Bitcoin and how to use Inscribe now to mint your first PXP Wizard inscription. For a lot of you, I know it is your first time using Bitcoin Chain, so that's exactly why I started this project, to give a trustworthy project that users who want to get into Bitcoin can start to join, right? But the reason that I am talking more about Bitcoin Chain than any other chain right now, and the reason that you should be actually listening to this and considering maybe moving some of your portfolio over to Bitcoin Chain, is because of the huge growth that I think is going to see in this bull run. I think Bitcoin Chain is going to be the place to make the biggest gains in this bull run. It was the place to make the biggest gains in the bear market with BRC20, and I think that narrative is going to continue. That's why I also want to get set up in this with PXP Wizards. Now, an example of this would be today, because I held the Runestone NFT, artifact on Bitcoin, I received this rune, Doggo to the Moon, for having one artifact. I received almost $3,000 right now straight into my wallet for holding one. I then went over to another checker. This one was for Lobo the Wolf Pup. And also I found out that two of my wallets that I've been using inside of Bitcoin only in the past month are now eligible to receive thousands of that rune token as well. I don't know the value of it, but hopefully it's a couple $100. If it's more, that's great, right? This is happening again and again on Bitcoin. If you're into airdrop hunting, into free minting assets that then just exponentially grow in value overnight, this is where the party is. And that's what we're doing with PXP Wizards. That's the aim. You can check that over here, lobotherwolfpup.com. Just put in your wallet address and you'll see. Paste it in. There we go. We have 103,000 Lobo tokens. I have 2 or 3 wallets, all that are eligible for this as well. Ridiculous, right? This is the aim with PXP Wizards. This is where we want to get to with this project. Getting onto CoinGecko, Magic Eden, of course, then going on from that. Maybe moving into runes, maybe doing other things, building ideas, using bitmaps. All of this is totally possible just from getting a foot in the door, and that's what this is. Yeah. PXP Wizards is a store of value on Bitcoin developed by the SEC, that's us. There are no roadmaps and no promises, but our track record speaks for itself. If you want to know our track record, go to SEC, see our Polygon collection and see what we've been doing there for almost 1 year now since we launched that collection, right? And it's continuing. We do have a private DAO. I'll make it so that anyone who also inscribes a Bitcoin artifact will be able to join our server as well on Telegram. This is it here. We're all just, everyone in the Telegram was given the chance to free mint this collection, right? So that's what's going on right now. People are free minting their inscription, right? So people are having a lot of fun doing that and popping out with one unique artifact for each person. So let's get on how to do it, right? If you're on the whitelist, then you can do this now. If you're not on the whitelist, you can do it tomorrow. There's a small fee of about $12 to pay after whitelist, though, plus the inscription fee. We'll go through all of that right now. Get onto our Twitter. First thing always, it's Bitcoin, crypto, basically everything happens on Twitter. So you got to be there. Get in it to win it. And the mint page, which you'll find the link in the description, is right here. So this is Inscribe Now. I chose Inscribe Now because they were the most helpful with giving me information on what I need to do to get the collection together and how to organize the mint and the whitelist and everything, and the metadata. Uploading all the files to get the important things there, right? I'm actually going to do a whole dedicated video on Inscribe Now and how I did it from base all the way through. I'm going to put up some of the JSON files up on GitHub so people can use it. Basically, be a resource for anyone who wants to also achieve this because it's really fun. Bitcoin is fun, right? So they're minting right now. So you notice some are complete and some are not complete from the minting process. It's not as easy and straightforward as it is over on the ERC20, right? Someone said it's like comparing a bow and arrow to a gun in a way. Yeah, kind of is, right? So we're going to go all the way through and what's going to happen. First, let me just show you why this is pretty bullish, right? So looking on CoinGecko, we come to Bitcoin and NFTs, right? And we will find all the collections that are going on around here, right? They actually tap out only 300 collections, which are listed on CoinGecko, which is super bullish. The market is not oversaturated with collections yet. And it's a really great opportunity to get in, find a position, and start building a bigger community of Bitcoin fans and showing people how to do all this stuff, right? I'm actually obsessed with these NFTs now. And the volume on them is great, like really good trading volume, really good pumponomics on like the projects, and the narrative is hot right now, so it's really great. To get onto Bitcoin, you're going to need two things. You're going to need an Xverse wallet. That's the wallet we're choosing for today's tutorial, Xverse wallet. And you're going to need to bridge. Now, I made a prior video about this, talking about Symbiosis, but unfortunately, it looks like they've removed the entire Bitcoin bridge from their bridge app, which is annoying. And before that, they had a $500 minimum spend to bridge that they added as well. So for now, all I can say is the best idea is to go to something like Coinbase and then send it to your wallet, right? Or Binance or Gate.io or Mexi, right? Any centralized exchange that you're on, you can send into your Xverse wallet from there. Let's get to Xverse. So come to xverse.app, come up here to download the wallet into your browser. Once you get it, you will be given a seed phrase. Write down the seed phrase. As normal, we have 100 wallets now, and then you're going to have to move some Bitcoin into that wallet. To get Bitcoin in and out, Xverse is very simple. We come to receive, right? There are three options. Number one is get Bitcoin. This is the one you want to use to receive your Bitcoin. So you're going to copy that one. Boom, copy, right? Then come to your centralized exchange and send Bitcoin from there to your wallet. It will arrive in about half an hour. The fee that I paid was $20, so I sent about $1,000 worth of Bitcoin just to make sure that it was worth it in the end, right? That's basically it. Then we have cash in our wallet. We come to the mint page. Now, if you are an OG and you got into the whitelist, then you are going to get free mint today. You have 24 hours to do it. Well, now you have less than 24 hours. You have about 20 hours to do it, right? And after that point, the mint will continue, but the price will be 0.0002 Bitcoin, which is currently about $12, plus an inscription fee of 0.00065 at the moment. Now, this is very low. It's been very high recently, but this is going lower. Works out that for free inscription, you are going to be paying nothing for the NFT, but you will be paying the inscription fee, which is about $50. And for minting, you're just going to be adding $12 on top of that, right? Just because you can't give everything out for free. It's ridiculous. The world wouldn't work if everything was free. We know that. But like I said, this is going to be a store of value on Bitcoin. So a $12 fee for something that we're going to continue to build out and push and give more utility to. I'm not telling you what it is, though. There's no roadmap. There's no promises, right? But you know how we work. We're always building out, right? So for $12, it's a good price, in my opinion. So anyway, we come and we want to mint. So I'm going to move to another wallet because I already minted on wallet with this one. It's a maximum of 3 for every whitelist. Once that's up, then we have a larger one, right? So we're over on this wallet instead. We come and we want to choose how many we want to mint. So I'd come here and maybe I'll choose 3, right? Maximum of 3 that I can mint at the moment. It is a random mint. You don't know which one you're going to get. These have been minted already. Some of them are really cool. There's a dragon with horrible bloodied open eyes. There is a elf wizard. There is... the dragons are my favorites. Like, they're awesome. There's a rune dragon. There is an angel with Bitcoin eyes. This is the elf in the woods. One of our team got that, actually. Lucky. This one is also the purple dragon is mine. I have this purple dragon. It's very nice too. Right, so these are a selection of some of them that are going on. There's the gold one with the punched out eyes. Black-eyed gold one. All good, right? Each one's totally different. They have about, what was it, 150 rarity traits, something like that. And yeah, they were made by Colin. So anyway, we come here, we press mint, and we're going to continue on, right? So I can mint 3 at the price of 0. I did my research. Yes, I accept all of this. Okay, we come. I agree. Oh, now I click mint. Okay, so once you agree to it, you then click mint. We then come to, it's saying waiting payment. So we come to continue order. We come here. From here, we have 3 to pay for the inscription fee, right? We then just need to put the wallet that we want them to be sent to. So we come back to your Xverse wallet, right? Oh no, sorry. You come to Xverse wallet, you come to receive, and then you come to ordinals, right? This one here, ordinals, not Bitcoin for receiving the ordinal. You get ordinal for receiving that. So we copy this one and we will paste that here. meaning that these will now be sent to one overall address. Now we just check and see that the address is the same, BC1P2F. So we'll come there and I'll have check, and it will also say receive here and said BC1P2F. Yeah, so that is my wallet, my Ordinal's wallet. They're all going to be sent there. So we do that. Then we come to continue to payment. It's then going to ask us to pay Bitcoin. That's right. We need 0.002 Bitcoin and we need to send it to this address here. So we come back to our wallet. We check, do we have 0.002? Yes, we do, right? So then we copy. So we copy the wallet address. We then send Bitcoin, right? We enter the address. Then we need to put exactly the amount of Bitcoin that it says in this. So it said 0.00208,968. And we send that. There is a $4 gas fee, and the inscription fee for 3 of them is $136. Transaction is broadcast. It has been sent. Do not send payment from exchanges like Binance. Do not make changes to the order after you submit payment. So you need to send this from a wallet, not from a centralized exchange, right? Now that you've paid, all you have to do is come back to the mint page and wait for this to complete. Will take about half an hour to send that across to you, right? And that's it. The average mint price for this was $45, which is lower than I expected it to be, which is fantastic. Okay. Of course, if you have any questions on what you're supposed to do or you get lost, then please just get in touch with me. I have my Telegram DM in the link in the description. We have our Discord, which anyone can join. We have our open Telegram group, and we also have our Telegram DAO if you own the Polygon NFT. Probably tomorrow, I'm going to start running the bot to allow people to join into our Telegram DAO if you own this NFT too. And I'll be getting the CoinGecko started so that we can get listed on CoinGecko and start having more fun with this. Really, the possibilities for what we can do with the collection on Bitcoin are endless, and really looking forward to the start of this new journey with PXP Wizards. Peace, be good to each other, and as always, don't get wrecked.